Oh my god. He's stupid, the stalker. He's stupid. Oh my god. There's like a front zone in the middle with blue and yellow, and we're just sitting in our floppy towers because we don't have fucking anything.
Vēl viens tornis!
Yeah, we just have our pop-up towers and we're living the dream, guys. Yeah. They are just like...
Lūdzu. Yes!
Like...
Vēl viens.
I hope yellow
Viņi
gets
probably
blue
domā,
so we
kas
can
šis
get
pas...
second place. But we
Šis ir
probably
tāds
will.
mēsls, bro. Šis ir tāds... Ok, sapirkos arrows, es nopirkšu
there's a
vēl.
war zone there. Oh my god. Oh my god, it's yellow versus blue. Who will... Oh my god, yellow survived. How did he survive that? Now he's definitely cooked. Oh, the other yellows are coming to help him. Oh my god.
Raivi pasties savu aizmugurē.
What do you mean, mums ir emerald base? No way. Kāds zina?
Viņš probably dabūja.
Emeralds! Oh my god! Pirmais mačs emeralds! Oh my god!
Pasaki to video, Daun.
Kā tev pirmais? Viņam ir čestā emeralds.
So guys, we are
Oh!
the yellow monopolized all the emeralds, so we can get some, and I just got my first emerald, so yes!
Pasties, kas mums par watchtoweriem ir.
My god.
Pasties, kas mums par watchtoweriem.
Oh my god, how did blue survive that? Oh my god.
Holy watchtower.
Mums ir... Tas saspamojums.
Yellow going with the invis! Yellow going with the invis, what? What is this strat, guys?
Es vēl vienu torni noliku.
Replacing, oh my god, what are these watchtowers, guys?
Šīs recordings jāsaivo būs. Es te varēšu vēl klipus no manas puses iedot. Iedomājies, ja es snaipošu viņu.
Yellow going to attack. Yo, wait, guys.
Šis ir cinemas, absolūti cinema.
Look.
Oh! Nē!
I missed. It would be so clean.
Bet zilajiem beds destroyed.
Yes. Jā, zilajiem ir beds destroyed. Viņi vienkārši dzeltenie iepēc zilajiem, un tad viņi pēc tam nāks pie mums.
Viņi mums tā vienu reizi uzpašos, un mēs būsim mīluši.
Vai nē?
Nē, mums ir Pakistan defense.
jā, kāds Pakistan defense.
Man ir 3 pop-up toweri. Man ir 3 pop-up toweri.
Mums nevajag tos pop-up toweri.
Es esmu strēlnieks.
Yo!
Mums vajag vēl pop-up towers. Mums vajag vēl.
Blue team only has one player and then they're cooked. And then they come for us. But
Kā mēs ilgāk izdzīvojam? How are we living further than them? What?
And
they're just not interested in us. We have too much aura. We have too much aura, I guess.
So, yeah, look at my sunny face. I'm just too good for that. Where?
Dzeltenais nāk.
Oh my god. Pagaid, man ir Pakistan air defense. Oh my... Oh my god.
Jā!
It's Pakistan air defense, real. Oh my god. We are Pakistan air defense, guys. Yes.
Bro, es te fall damage varu nomirt, ja mēs te pārāk daudz leksim.
We are the Pakistan
divi diamanti, man ir 7 diamanti bāzē. What? Kā man 7 diamanti? Kā lai man ir...
Es dabūšu. Kā viņš man dabūja? What? Okay, tas bija reach. Guys, you saw that. That's reach. Guys, that's reach. You all saw that. That's reach.
Mēs iedzīvojām uz otro vietu.
No, but that's so bad. That's reach. That's just...
Nu, tam Shrekam ir reach. That's
just pure reach, brother. Like everyone
Rekurviņš ir.
Like everyone saw that, bro. Like everyone saw that. Yeah, he's
Ko tu palīdzēsi Raivi, tu stulbeni?
Saprot, kas jau visu laiku viņam ir reach! Viņš man cauri blokiem sit Eivalu. Viņam ir tāds reach. Tu to nesaproti?
Kā viņš man trāpā?
Tas viss ir uz video.
Reporto
Viņam ir
viņu.